Okay, so I have a Nacet blade. I'm just going to fold it in half, snap it. I like to tear them, that way, you know, it's still covered on the one half. And, you know, this is my first time using a Twig. You know, since it's a mild razor, I don't know if I'm going to, you know, like it, but we're going to find out here. Wow, that's pretty efficient. Here. Wow, that's pretty damn good, huh? What? Wow, this razor. It was suggested to me to use this in the comments, and you're right. It is one hell of a head shaver. Yeah, it's a little difficult for me because I'm used to a safety razor where you're getting that 45, so I'm holding it up like this and it's not cutting, which is good. Okay, a lot more rinsing, but I think it did a pretty good job. Kind of feel a little bit back there, but you know, nothing, a little bit behind the ears, but you know, that razor is a great detailer, so it's not going to have any problem getting around my ears. I have some razors that have an overhang, and you got to be, you know, careful going around your ears, making sure, you know, those tabs don't hit your ear and cut the shit out of it. Cross pass here. I do feel some in the back of my head here still. I mean, that was a lot of growth.